The Joe Biden administration has accused President Emerson Mnangagwa's government of lacking the political will to identify, investigate, or prosecute officials who may have committed human rights abuses. Sarapina muna udzizere lopanda kuti bva subscribe like utina on the bell icon. Tipina na uso kunyogwa nzikaitwa mzimu ayonyora chiti. In its Zimbabwe 2023 human rights report, the United States government said significant human rights cases, which include credible reports of arbitrary or unlawful killings, extrajudicial killing, cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment by the government. The government did not take credible steps to identify, investigate, or prosecute officials who may have committed human rights abuses. There were credible reports of human rights abuses by criminal gangs in the artisanal and small-scale mining sector. Authorities did not systematically investigate the prosecution such abuses. There were several reports that the government or its agents committed arbitrary or unlawful killings, including extrajudicial killing during the year. Saka ndo macases atiri kuona ari kuraiziwa negovernment ya Joe Biden kuAmerica vachiti government ya Mnangagwa haina kukwanisa kuinvestigata nawo aiwa the massive killing dzaiitika neprosecution yaitika munyika yeZimbabwe zvokuti vava kutosuspecta kuti aiwa pamwe vanhu ivovo vainokomita mhosva idzi vanenge vaitumiwa negovernment ya Mnangagwa. Saka chimbotiudzai munoti kudii pamusoro pema-accusations ari kuitiwa negovernment ya Joe Biden on Zimbabwe. Pinai mucomment section medu mutidze mafungiro enyu, usanga no subscribe, kulike, chonoti on the bell icon.